oh my god, aphelile amajita angaqhelwa zigagazelayithi yabo, aphelile no more umjita ngoko athi esebenza nzima aqhelwe arojwe lipharapara yabo, isidima sakhe silapha. Women know when to stop kuye. Unqabile lo majita angaqhelwa zigagazelayithi most yabo. Yabo.
I want to ask you, like, how did you meet TMT? But before we go there, I want to ask you, like, how do you feel about people, like, you say you're a baddie, né? And that's you. No one can take that away from you. And you got talent. And a baddie came after having a talent.
No, there's always been the baddie.
There's always been, like,
Artist to figure baddie.
Like, even when we were young, you were like,
yo,
baddie.
Even when I was
damn.
I remember I had 3 boyfriends this other time. At grade 7.
Hey, it's your boy Kaufman. I'm out here in Cape Town, Ukuleta, Barcelona, Matjojo, Mengla, Okida, Pole, South Africa, man. Happy New Year to everyone out there. It's been an amazing beginning of January. I know a lot of people hate January, but it's my favorite month. I like that because I'll be spending recklessly with December without acknowledging January. So January uzanifundisa isifundo until February xa kufanele banithenge onopopi nonodoli necup for ivalantshontsho. Otherwise, shout out to everyone who's watching, man. Thank you for subscribing on our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please, guys, about 60% of the people who watch our content haven't subscribed. So please subscribe on the YouTube channel, and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, the Kasi Mayhem TV, and also follow us on TikTok, the Kasi Mayhem TV 101. We've been running a nice promotion of the Mayhem Week 20 playlist on Spotify, which is really amazing. Make sure you check that one out on our Facebook page and also our Facebook group. It's a very interesting opportunity for artists to playlist their songs on Spotify. Otherwise, would like to say thank you to Ikeja for holding us down on 2024. We are in a brand new year together again with Ikeja. Check them out on www.ikeja.co.za for that Wi-Fi. It's only 350 rands per month. Last time I checked, they're still upgrading the system. It's going to be Ikeja Wave right now in 2025. So please check them out and see if they're ready to host new customers. Otherwise, today we have a very, very special guest on the podcast. It's about to go down.
Yeah.
We're about to get stung by a bee. Huh? Please welcome, guys, Balcalis.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
You look nervous. Why are you so nervous?
I
tell the couch.
And yes, because I can sit and go.
For people who are watching right now, we have a lot of people watching from different areas. I know this is a cliche question, but like just a quick introduction of who is Balcalis and usuka Balcalis wenzantoni.
Okay. So Kamlana siyamthanda Bota hlala eMakhaza naseNyanga. So I am a rap artist. I like to specify it like that. So I'm a rap artist with the name Balcalis. So yeah, man. That's all I can say.
Okay, another cliche question. Why Balcalis?
Why?
Yeah, I know it's a very cliche. I hate it when someone asks me like why Kof.
Yeah. Well, yeah. It goes with a lot of things, man. Because actually, Balcalis is not a noun; it's a verb.
Okay.
And to clarify something, Balcalis is different from Balcalis.
Okay.
There's Balcalis ongu Cardi B. There's Balcalis
Oh.
ongu B ongu Sia.
Okay.
And then go there's a twist pa. Yeah, you've got pronunciation.
Yeah.
Balcalis and Balcalis.
Okay.
Balcalis yenye language.
Okay.
Balcalis yenye into. It's
Yeah.
a verb. It's whereby when you do something very special, you hold like it's a tina. Balcalis ne.
Yeah.
You hold a special power. But the moment you are able to spread that special power to someone else, then you did Balcalis.
Okay.
You are a bee, you made a honey, and everybody is eating the honey.
Oh.
So you are a being Balcalis.
Okay.
So it's a whole lot of different
Damn.
things. I don't know who Balcalis look. I can't be about it.
Yeah.
But Balcalis yena, uteta like transporting something else to bone.
Okay.
If you get what I'm saying, but
Yeah.
in yours yenza ihani ifunyanwa kabantu.
Yeah,
Balcalis iyacula, they listen to the sound.
Damn.
That's that.
That's crazy. So do you get a lot of people saying that I
Why
know this name,
Balcalis?
I know this name from
Yeah.
Cardi B and stuff like that. She's trying to fake Cardi B. Do you get people saying that?
Yeah. Like they don't literally say I'm trying to fake Cardi B. They be like, yo, standing out in Cardi B and comment. Yeah, but it's a good thing. I would love to sound like her. Like I would love. I'm telling you, that's why I said, yeah, but people don't believe in coincidence.
Yeah.
Balcalis, Cardi B, figure 2017.
Yeah.
2011 I was Balcalis.
Oh.
Bengekamazi. Elgama
Yeah.
lithi Balcalis ndilive kwi-movie.
Oh.
Like ezi movies zofana no Games of Thrones, no yazibeza games kunxitywa izanto
Yeah.
So I used to watch a lot of those kind of movies. Elagama like just stroked me.
Oh.
So it's just that a lot of people don't know that because I intend to say, yeah, Cardi B.
Yeah.
Because I am inspired by her in some way. So I'll assume, yeah. Why Balcalis? So Kaze, like and take away Dingu Balcalis. Oh, Cardi B.
Okay,
Yeah. So that's what's what.
Oh yeah, I get that. Because like also with myself, coffee, there's a black coffee.
Yeah,
it gets crazy and I'm like, okay, I don't have time to entertain that. If we are funo understand it, then you'll understand. If I'll phone. Before like we started recording behind the scenes, you said something interesting to me and I was like, this is probably the foundation of who you are right now. You said something about Izolani Senda and also like being a dancer. Like take us there. Like was that your introduction of art and like how was it?
It was also part of introducing the art because there was a lot of things happening.
Yeah.
So choosing to dance was because I wanted to listen to the music because they were playing like different musics as I was saying. So umculo they were playing was like a whole lot of type, indoni, and then hip hop catched me. And then Goku, Isolan Center did give me that, but you can do it. You were able to dance. You can even make more than that. So man, my writing skills did uplift from Nabha. It just added to the things that made me wanna do music.
Yeah. How's dancing for you? Like, do you still? When was that? Was it long time ago or like?
Yeah,
recent?
I think like 2015, 16, 17.
Oh wow.
Yeah, those years.
Yeah.
And so
Yeah.
it was fun dancing, but what was more fun was listening to the music.
Oh, yeah.
Because Benga dance, I swear. Even sister Wam knows, but nature knows, but I'm going to dance. Yeah, but I did do those things because as a Zindo were the ones that were enabling me, but
Yeah.
because you can't just dance without the music.
Yeah.
And I even did too much dance.
I totally imagine.
Insurance. So,
Uh,
like from insurance, they wanted the beats because insurance is sebenza nge-beats.
yeah.
So listening to the beats, nanje any beats is strategy so much. I'm like working out the lyrics that I wrote the other day, but the lyrics that time, like I was just like, fuck, yangena kulok dum 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 dum, and I was like, shit, the songs I could write with these type of sounds.
Yeah.
And I was like, shit, yabona umculi uyandibiza. Like it felt like this shit was calling me, but come rap, come show us this type of shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know you have like a lot of love for international artists, but like at that time you are like watching artists perform Nagoma Zolani Center. Like who would you say locally like was that one person that was like, yeah, I can do this?
You know, there's a lot of guys in Bugela, like Real Switch and Echomizaki.
Yeah.
Yeah, but those were the guys. Like Utopiolo.
Yeah.
When he wrote that song for Estratweni.
Yeah.
Like, yo, and I was gonna come ba. Way, and like one about Real Switch, they are going places like pictures zabo, but in the way zipa. But but I like that about them because they were showing me how to be a certain artist.
Yeah.
For it to be on that standard and stuff like that. So it was like, wow, this is something. Isolan Center was the thing for me when it comes to looking at the artists, at different artists, because most of the time with dancers. So it was like, shit. But it was like, yeah. That was the thing.
Yeah.
They motivated me.
Oh yeah. I remember the gang. Like Trill Switcher was like a dope hype. Like it's still even today a dope hype man. Like
knows how to make
even
everyone
before he
hype.
started like rapping, like hyping was his thing.
Yeah.
Like you wouldn't get bored by performance and no
Trill
Trill Switcher Bagati. Like he's a legend. I even told him when he was sitting here on the black couch that like, bro, you're a superstar. Yeah, but like we have certain things that we have to do to make it or like even be on the mainstream. But like when on yourself, like you've done a
no
lot.
doubt,
Yeah, I understand.
yeah.
You've made a lot of people believe in themselves.
Yeah.
And like abazuxelela bonke, but your impact is
It's
there.
happening,
It's visible.
yeah.
Yeah, I understand. So I get what you mean. Like that era was like an incredible era. I even told.
The time that I get that.
Yeah.
So it was so much fun. Doing something that way, rather than watching it on TV.
Yeah.
TV, like I was really young. So it's more like, fuck, I'm gonna do this. So, but more than this shit, yeah, that's why I like him the most when it comes to artists.
So did you start rapping while you were in Nyanga or you then moved before you started rapping?
Yeah, I recorded up in Nyanga. My first song was recorded in Nyanga. Who said, oh, I don't know if you know him.
Nah, maybe Ngamazi ngombona.
Yeah. Nah, yeah, he used to rap, no trail switcher. So Daya Park Studio Sake, because Gogo Kumeza who used to be an artist, then song.
Yeah.
So now I record up her, kuchomis trail switcher. So this up her, yo, like it was fun. I was like, is this dream coming true? Oh, am I just imagining things?
Yeah.
So ban record this ngoma yami yoqala.
Do you still remember it?
Yeah. It was actually a feature though, like like
yeah.
So there we started as a group, like we say Red House. So I recorded her as a Red House. But as time went by, they did not record a single. So that's when I feel like they were trying to get me comfortable with the features just to help me because uzenzele yami ingoma. Because the feature must believe nje.
Yeah.
So kaya ingoma you write fucking whole sentence. And the studios ukuncedisa. Because at that time I did have help. Because now I'm done by abanye. So it wasn't a problem getting help. Now, abafuna ungincedise nxa izoba ingoma yam. Like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
And like that guy said, ensured me that it's best ubhale ingoma eyakho than having people instructing you on your own single. Learn to write your own stuff. I was like, bayanjikela aba. But they were not. They actually helped me. So, and bengazuba zabayana if bengamazu throw switcher.
Of course.
Even like Umjita Walo, what's the next to Ikaya, King Mvina, he's still a rapper. But he's working So like it's a really nice thing to ba kwazi udibana nalo akudibanise naloa lo udibane nalo nawe xa ufike kesakixesha uzomdibanisa nomnye. Now the cycle is growing, everybody is going somewhere. So I liked that ngoikya.
It's crazy that you were once a ghostwriter. That's crazy. And I want to understand how was the feeling of like, did you like at some point hear them perform the songs, and how was the feeling?
We did perform them because that ended up ndicula nabo because lyrics
the ones that you wrote.
So it was actually nice seeing it being performed, seeing people liking it. I feel like that's also what drove me to wanting to write for myself. Because if zange ndibabhalele bona then ngazuyazi ba mandizibhalele nam. So I do like that, but go canopinda ndibabhalele because they can write for themselves.
In those songs that you wrote, is there anyone that you feel like I did the most
than them?
Like the song itself, it did the most in the streets?
Well, it did the most in studio. Nakasiya's performer, like not Estraton set, because Estraton set bebengasazi basi rappers we were just kids. Going eZolan Center. Omnye dancer performing uchomi zakhe kuphinde goduke. So it wasn't that big. But if it was Goku, I feel like it would have been really, really big because Zangoma, they actually made sense for Abandona Bebenga Kangati. So I feel like that.
That's incredible, man. Because like I'm sure a lot of people who are watching, even people who like know your music and follow you, they don't know that part of your journey.
A lot of things like one called the shame, Luna Kayazi. Shame. Awunomthola nawe umxelelanga. So
shame. That's what we're here for, man, to unpack such things. Now I wanna understand like the dancing part, like when you started rapping, now I'm doing music, did you have an opportunity to incorporate that dancing part into your music?
I do. I dance a lot when I'm performing.
What kind of dance?
I dance a lot when I'm performing. Like, I'll be shaking that ass, like moving from this table to that. Like,
How do people receive that?
Like,
because like people have mixed emotions about like a girl who raps and can like tend the tables, twerk, and all of that. Like, how do people receive that?
Well, the other crowd loved it, but most of the crowds love it. But it's stressing. I'm performing in abandwana. And even my songs. Oh God, I'm a bad influence. But I got an influence somehow. Yes, layer ingoma. If when perform, I think how about Ndishushu? No. And the backstage, I choma no ingoma. Pindu buyele.
Have you performed under the influence and like twerk like there was no tomorrow, and then people showed you videos after, or you saw videos after, and then you felt maybe a little bit embarrassed or something like that? Or it's just nothing to you?
It's just nothing to me. I when it comes to my art, I don't know about gay people. Yes, I represent myself as a rapper, but am I really a rapper? Or kukhona I feel like ikhona le genre ndiyenzayo, but I don't know it yet. Cause now I don't rap like Eminem. Where I was inspired by him, kakhulu ne. But I don't rap like him. Nah, I do my shit like I'm on some real bad shit. Now this shit is where I could give you a heart attack. Pull up, come like a stunt. Yes, it's inspired by a sort of Eminem, but that doesn't sound like a Slim Shady thing. To me, it don't.
Yeah.
It literally sounds like me. I would do that. And when I'm performing that song, it's not like it's on my pie stage and be no, I'm somewhere there. Like
Yeah.
that driver when you're just expecting someone to be on the gangster type of shit, but now you're saying you say so and do stuff like that. I know I was gonna do it even in the sober.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, bro. So
Yeah.
it don't make no difference. You took a video of me, that's your problem. So but don't go love it naba bantu sobabonisa.
Yeah.
And then like now you uzovala amehla angafuni uyibona.
Yeah.
Watching it shows you that, oh my god.
Yeah,
bro.
you're
Spreading
interested.
it shows you that you don't have a problem with this.
Yeah.
Because if you had a problem with this, you would delete it.
Yeah.
Make sure no one else sees this.
Yeah, that's true.
And come to me ba, shindase, yavela lando, kokubusithi, zungaphindi ndiqombe. Oh, sasendinde. Yabo. So xa ndingasifumani, I don't feel like that. Yakhumbula ngokubentima andinanhloni, sometimes pretending athi ndinazo.
Yeah.
I don't know why. But
Yeah. It's for me. It's not easy to like suppress the person you are because of like a certain situation or you wanna please certain people. Yeah, bola way. And for me, I'd rather like meet the real you than meet lo mntu uzamba nguye, and then eventually when I see you somewhere else I'm be like I nguye lo ndimaziyo, you understand? That's crazy, you understand? Because now I'm gonna say this ebantwini, and then when people see you otherwise they'll be like abo coffee waite unje.
Okay,
yeah, understand? Yeah. So when I meet someone, I'm happy when they are themselves. Yeah, but it doesn't matter how extreme you are, how introvert you are, how extrovert you are, as long as you are yourself and you keep that same energy. That's very genuine. Yeah, understand? You're not fake or something like that. Like more recently, like when did you release like a song that you felt like, yeah, I'm doing this shit now?
Yeah. Awukhumbuli kukhona la freestyle sayenza no TMT.
Oh, that was the song, huh?
I loved myself.
With Kendrick Lamar beat.
Yeah. Ingxaki ne ndiyafika kothuli uthi Chomi dibhale anyway. Ingxaki we had lyrics from back ngoya like bona xa sihleli sizi Chomi and then sithi gcine lyrics because sizi rappers sobayithu. Then ngoku ngenye imini umamela ibeat yena ucinga eziya. And then ngoku qha before azifake eziya wabhala anyway yakhe inswempu, like yayiva most langoma from the start inswempu. You just can't deny it now. I want to get in, I want to jump. So I shayele we xa ndifika pha kwabantu bethela ayibetha Chomi mandibhale nam. So when I was writing those lyrics I was like, yeah, this is the usual me, but there's a new me here. Where there's that Balcalis, but yo, go pillow go. Yeah, well, so I felt like that klangoma because it's even say what you're saying. I came like a baddie. I pull up on niggas, they tripping, they tumbling. That's something I would usually say. I am a baddie. I don't feel like a baddie. Most of my songs, I do say I'm a baddie because I'm representing myself. I am telling you that I am a baddie. You should know that. By the time you hit me up, you're hitting up a baddie.
Yeah.
Irresponsible ifumana, hey, a baddie.
Yeah.
But so that's why I feel like shit. I said it.
Yeah.
I can't deny it now. I just said it because khona indawo ethi apha amajita no line, apha amajita angaqholozi kakaze light. I was like, is this Xhosa now? Are you tripping or what? But I wasn't tripping. I was trying something new.
Yeah.
And it worked out. Like it worked out. That's why I like working with certain artists that and I'm not a versatile artist. I would say that la apha majita no line, apha majita ngaqholoza kakazelight. Ngiyafika nasemajiteni be umjita ngiqombe yo ikaka ye oli. Ngimxalele mfethu uyatripa ngokusana. Like I even say stuff I'm not supposed to say. It's not that I like Nzotina. I won't feel bad because I had to say it to put you on the line. So nangoku I want niggas to be on the line once it's apha majita no line, apha majita ngaqholoza kakazelight. Why bitches oqalela bafuna kuthini wena? That girl supposed to look at you and be inspired by this man like this. Oh my god. One day, not ati uzofuna wena, no. Mhlambi lo ngulo uzokufaka kula ngqondo ba oh my god aphelile amajita ngaqholoza kakazelight yabo aphelile no more umjita ngoko athi esebenza nzima aqhelwe arrojo lipharaphara yabo isidima sakhe silapha. Women know when to stop kuye. Unqabile lo majita angaqholoza kakazelight. Most yabo.
I want to ask you, like, how did you meet TMT? But before we go there, I want to ask you, like, how do you feel about people, like, you say you're a baddie, né? And that's you. No one can take that away from you. And you got talent. And a baddie came after having a talent.
No, there's always been the baddie.
There's always been like
artists to figure baddie.
Like even when we were young, you were like baddie.
Even when I was
damn.
I remember I had 3 boyfriends this other time. At grade 7. And 3.
Damn.
Yo, those guys.
How were you handling that? Was it in the same school?
Not the same school, but different areas, yeah. It was nice. It was really nice. Like, oh yeah. So it was nice. And I really felt like a baddie because when mhlambi sidibana kulo ndawo sidibana kuyo mhlambi nakonotha ke yengo ne-oyam iwayana osana chomi and single so stuff like that and no you're gonna hate me regardless even if bendingeyiyongo laa nto baburha like injongo zakho bezizokuniqapkela uzoniqapkela and then if you love me like that noba bendingeyiyongo laa nto uzohlela uzondithanda like ezinye izinto you just can't control them namba ndiyacapkela obviously benzokucapkela noba ubuyintoni na so I feel like it's that and I'm not gonna change shit about me or love me like that.
But I totally understand that. That was crazy, man. It's not crazy because like it's very hypocrite for a guy to say that's crazy, but guys had like 3 girlfriends at the same time. That's very hypocrite.
We're all human.
Yeah. So like, let's say they're intertwined, so you two talente, nobody baddie. But like, how do you feel when people trying to suppress your talent because you're a baddie? Because like, there's this whole new notion that like, if you're a content creator, influencer, or baddie, then you won't have a talent. Yeah, understand? You can't. You are not supposed to have a talent. Yeah, I understand you. When I was on Genangobu in the industry, like, how do you feel about such iterations?
Yeah, I have seen stuff like that.
Yeah.
In like this type of baddies. Like singathi ngesixhosa kukho umntana othanda amajita kubekho ihule. Yabo. Lona she just likes doing stuff. Uyathanda uba mhle. Uyathanda like go out. You see her with different dudes. Like those different dudes. Yes, but there could be 100 different dudes. Abangamenzi nothing at all. But lo uli hule because unalo umjita. Lo uyasiya. Lo wa ayongo nento kuye. Uyasiya. Unxila kwakhe uzosiciywa. If something khalela unxila khona lo muntu azamfonela for asiciye afumane. like xa usithi ke ngoku uyibhedi, you know uba ambiza lo azonka lapha neetshomi zam, akhona namajita am sizamkalisa sonke neetshomi zam. Uzawuza azi umjita ankale nangamajita asitshomi zethu awazonika iskuthi qha siqombe sizawubiza lowa azosinkalela. Iyakwazi unikwa ilift kunoteksi. Most of the time it happens konoteksi. Umhle siza kancane unoteksi uzamnika inamba yakho, it's fine. You are baddie, you're gonna give him your number. Uzofona yonke senhleli neetshomi zam cisithele i-carry bag, uzoza naye la carry bag, uzophinda ahambe. Sophinda simfone etshomi xa uzondithatha ncile ndifuna ugoduka kantoni emntwini wakho. And ufika ulale emntwini wakho khange akwenze into kwakela drive. You're a baddie. If you get the difference.
I get you.
Yeah.
So like in your music, when you're not bothered about like you incorporating your baddie into your music, like as a brand yakho is growing, like you don't care about the people who say anything about that.
Not that I don't care, ne?
Yeah.
I don't mind it because abazindo.
Yeah.
You don't know
Yeah.
why I'm representing myself like this.
Yeah.
And it's none of your business.
Yeah.
I'm doing this for myself. And yeah, ndizofandetho wena uzobakwelakho ingcwaba nami uzobakwelami ingcwaba. So you having an opinion about me, yes, ndizayithatha la opinion, ndizayijonga ba iya kweliphi icala. Is it the right side or the left? Ba i-left mntasehlala pha. Ba i-right uzawuhlala, yabo. So even naxa yabona la ngoma yami Ndishushu, those people are crazy. La ngoma ithi dimu istar ebusuku, u-underground intuku, funa i-red impuku. You know I'm hot Ndishushu. That line, like those lines, dimu istar ebusuku, istar siyalaita.
Yeah.
In the night, I am bringing the light to you because I am the star. Yeah, not the star. Because abasisi bapha indon etekini the star.
Okay.
So underground into you're not underground. I'm not riding dick Klalaini.
Okay.
You're an underground artist. But you are a star.
Yeah.
You shine even though nobody notices you like you want them to. Because you are underground. You don't want to be underground lighting up people. You want to be seen now about I am the star. And I'm tired of being underground. Your imbook, I want the money. Na i-red imbook. If ndiyatwala, I would use i-red imbook. Because I need that cheese. I need that money.
Yeah.
The hot Ndishushu. Because I'm hot. I can spit bars.
Yeah.
Then there comes that line. Stove dance shushu.
Yeah.
And that's where I'm being freaky there. Like I'm literally being freaky. Now I'm letting you know, but you know what I'm talking about. You human. But I understood that they wouldn't get those ironies because Zinjia. So for them to focus on this song, I must make it sound like this.
Oh yeah.
Ndishushu, you know they're on about yo. Like okay. So yeah, man, I feel like in the I like to confuse them, but make sure they're not confused. I like my people like that.
Yeah, that's a very interesting way to approach the music, because like it's. I think I've said this before, ne. I hope abantu abenza umculo onjeyana they don't find me wrong. Okanye abantu abenza content enjeya. Abanye they actually know it, yabo. Like explicit content sells.
Yeah.
Like we can't hide that. That's like being ignorant. You understand? Even the algorithm in social media like has been pushing that. You understand? Hence people even in the comments would say I understand? It's like we know that the algorithm favors
that.
A butt
Because
more
even
than a
if you
face.
post about some stupidity, people are on it like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like people like stuff like that.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's a sound anjani.
Mm.
But yambona Tama baby.
Yeah.
I don't know, ne. But I feel like he just took everyone wabafaka kula moment banina. Abumamelo bopanqa bam. Nobayindoni. And people are literally loving. I love that. I love it. Like I don't know if it sounds anjani lento ne.
Yeah.
But it's nganene langa qhumisa impepho.
Yeah.
Aqaba bethe abothe like that's fucking funny.
Yeah.
And for me, watching that makes me want to see more of him doing that. Ndiyamlandela, I follow him. Come on, kawenzela way.
Yeah.
So more like naxan performer. I know there's people craving for me to twerk. But then now everybody's like, yo, brah. Because they captured by that. Nandi batsalayo ba sifuna ubona lo sizoza kula shop because uzotweka uBalcalis. Yabo. But ke yeah man.
I think also that thing can be like a working strategy because like it's crazy. Abanye abantu bawuthi ndifumana le information. Guys, le information dayazi. If awuyazi ke wena uzozulisa.
Yeah.
If uyayazi ucofa like kule video ngoku. Le information zayithetha ngoku because uyayazi. Can you comment about uyayazi? Another incredible strategy, like a very credible business move was uxola imfeka. Like that's like crazy business because uxola imfeka
Posting about those
opened X videos. Yabo. And then on X videos she had a couple of videos. Yabo. And then there's a thing called X videos red.
I don't know that.
So X videos red, ne? Is like subscription based. It's like OnlyFans type of vibe. Yeah. Subscription based. So she can like put a trailer on normal, just a shorter version. And then the full version is on red. Yeah. And then eventually when she got the real guap, she removed all
those things.
Yeah, lived one video. And now you are forced to. She got the guap now. She doesn't have to appear all the time on your screen. And she then focused more on soft content.
Yeah, making more money now.
Yeah, but soft content on Facebook and TikTok. You understand? Yeah. So like people are already caught up. Yeah, understand? So when she's doing soft content, it's like
it's more like
easy work for her. Like very easy work. Yeah, but so like I know it can lure a lot of people when you have like that type of business strategy. But as long as you know it's a business strategy. Yeah, understand? It can be a business strategy at the same time you having fun. That's nothing wrong about that. But as long as you're not gonna sink on that, because a lot of people have synced in their own ideas or in their own time of having fun. Yeah, understand? All of a sudden now you are has been.
Okay, same as Gogo, you're focusing more on what was and you're forgetting on what's possibly to outcome.
Yeah.
Okay, I see that.
Yeah, because for example, even Zodwa, same thing. It was.
And everyone
she was probably hungry at the time she started, like very hungry. She was doing it for like pulling it, like for real. Yeah, understand?
I follow Moonchild.
Yeah, Moonchild is like literally having fun. Yeah. Like she's just having fun. If you remember, there was like an episode on Real Kopoza.
Oh, Moonchild. Yeah, but no, those are the people.
Yeah.
Moonchild. Yo, guys.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking you all these questions. I'm like trying to find you, like where you are. Are you like you is it your brand strategy or it's just you having fun? It's just you in general.
Yeah, but no, when I said Nengokia, I don't actually know what's popping up. Am I a rapper artist or am I the artist that's here to showcase? Yeah, boom. So I wouldn't show my ass on TV like I wouldn't
Yeah,
do that. I'm more of like name. I wear this short stuff. Yes, I do shake my body once in a while, but don't fuck with me.
Okay.
Don't test me, bruh. Don't come spagging my ass like you know me. I'm gonna fucking stab you. Yeah, but it works like that. And then I noticed, okay, I'm this. It's in Nalando. You're not gay. You're not straight. You're not bisexual. It's in Nalando. Feminine or feminine. Yeah, but it's stuff
Feminine,
like that.
yeah.
Yeah, I feel like I'm more like that. Sometimes I am this baddie. I am, but at the same time, I'm like, don't test me.
Yeah.
Yes, I can shake my ass when I want to. Not when I have to.
Yeah.
Yeah, but when I want to.
Yeah.
So don't come around saying, twerk ngok.
Yeah.
Yeah, but so that's, I feel like that's what I actually am on to.
Yeah.
Not moon child no.
Yeah,
Not
yeah.
Cardi being no.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
a glimpse. Yeah.
I want us to go back to my other question. Like, how did you meet to TMT?
TMT.
Yeah.
So like TMT I think that kind of when you post like on Facebook. Like I don't know man, but that's it just happened by so that was it told me.
Yeah.
Because she used to post some stuff on Facebook, so commentelane way before like even Pume like way before I even knew she was a rapper.
Yeah.
Ever. So she naye bengandazi a rapper and stuff like that. So I feel like that's when friendship yahamba simane sikomentelana. But I think early last year or last of last year, then we started visiting each other. Yabo. So visitelana like sesisazana ngokuba siya rapper, sesibonane post and stuff. So yeah, bizinto ezinjalo sichomene njalo. Yabo. Yeah. And yes, man, it's a friendship zizenzekelayo.
Yeah. And how is like the working side?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's fun because close sense you know it's gonna sound dope either way. Cause the nizichomi. What would it sound like? Fuck. Yeah. Cause nizaqumba kaloku mna sanba uTMT uzoxolika ngoku. Naye uzoqumba hayibo Balcalis senzoxolika. And then go it's gonna suck. Izawuyimosha kwa friendship yethu. Cause kaloku senzoxolika Balcalis now. TMT nguwe lo ucule into yakhoyo. Yabo. So we're gonna fix the song. We're gonna make sure that it's actually exactly what we want it to be. Not some bullshit type of thing okay ngoku senze ingoma hayi mandimiye ku Balcalis acule lo nonsense afuna icula. Yeah, so this one it's nice working with someone very close to you than working with people just senza nje business.
Yeah.
Cuz yabona xa usebenza nabantu aba close, the money comes in very easy and I pay fast. But when you're working with ikopolo, like you wanna meet, you wanna meet bana no Bravo because Bravo nekopolo engaka. I do everything to make sure diambambi isandla Bravo. Like that's kissing ass, and that's not what I would like to see happening. If mhlambi I boom, I go somewhere, then there's people just out here kissing my ass because befuna ubakwi level. So with TMT is more like casual, it's nice. You know uphuma kwakhe ndiphumile. Now uphuma kwami uphumile. Ayisokolisi. Yeah.
That's quite a good friendship because like I've kind of like lived that life before, and it takes someone with good energy to be happy for the other person. No matter what happens, even if you go like part ways. Whenever someone else is winning, you become happy for the other person, like, which is really, really like powerful. When you have someone like that in your corner, it's really, really nice. Cause like, a lot of shit happens when you think like people are with you, and then you find out later that they were just in it for their own benefits. Yeah.
This one the city Ndishushu ndimu istar ebusuku. If I have to shine indlela ka TMT to succeed, I can't do that because Ndim is star. She has to see the way. uzolayitwa ngibani xa ndingamlayiti kodwa ndithi ndisister yabo. So paving the way for omnye umntu is not a problem, it's actually a good thing, because the moment you pave a way for them, they're gonna pave a way for someone else, because it's gonna be easy for them to do that because biyenziwe kubo. It's more like hurting someone. Oh, hurtishe umntu naye, they're gonna hurt the next person. So think about first, but that cycle you created is gonna stop. Ebizoyeka kuwe, you stop hurting people. Do you know the person that you hurt will hurt another person? So I feel like it should go like that. If TMT paves a way for me, it's easy for me to do something for someone else. Yeah, but those are the type of things that I work with, I look at.
Yeah.
Busy nomed.
That's dope, man. That's dope. And you guys then after like started working with Babalo and Ngamla
Bubbles.
production. How was that?
Yeah.
Like, how was that?
Yo, Babala is so fun. Like, I feel like I like meeting easy spirits, like
Yeah.
people that are just open to the light. They're not worried, but oh my God, if I show my kindness, because now I'm not scared of showing my kindness, my love. So bona, yo, I want guys. It's just nice.
Yeah.
Because banana like meeting you. Because TikTok, I was like, yeah. And it was like, it's the connection for me. I didn't know for you, ne, but I loved it, the fact that I felt it. I do not have to wait for omnye umntu afile kuze nami ndifile. So I feel like TMT Bubbles, Unigma, wonke umntu mani, it's like that easy.
Yeah. Which songs did you guys work on?
Tina Ngamla production.
Yeah, I saw the one that was recently dropped. Yeah.
So for me, I've done 2 songs under Ngamla Productions, because there was the 16th campaign, Leben's Bubbles.
Yeah.
So it was the last song, Paki project, Zoro.
Okay.
So when I that's the first song I did Ngamla Production, yes. So like experience doing that song, it was like she hit me up and I was like, Ndieza. Jonga disokuparisha nditsokali taxi dize. And then ndalahleka first time when ndisiya pha. Mama ndichelo don't wenza kweli taxi. No, my dumbass. So and got to me phone disendleleni.
Oh shit.
So I feel like that was the bad, like kanti ndijikeleza straight on C1.
Oh shit.
Kamna ndibuza igama elirongo.
Oh.
Yabo. And she understood that, like zanga benalantu ba just lazy, you don't want to work, don't about stuff like that. So I was like, oh my gosh, she's so humble, I can't wait to meet her. Then satibane ke ngoku for lengoma uzoro, because bese sent in a beat instruction how it could go. So like then we killed the song, come out the studio, and when we dropped the song, I did get very a good outcome, because I like umntu aze inbox andixelele ba, oh, I listened to that song, it was nice, nyafika, I didn't like that part, sungabi nambeko xa uthetha nami, yabo, especially into is negative, because nami sizixela into negative in a very crucial way. So yabo ke ngoku laa ngoma, after laa ngoma, I noticed how she can even check up on you and be like, hi man, Balki, I'm like, Nicola, guys. So it's cute. The session says about a minute about she's alerting you. But ungalibali. And about take ute, because ngokubesokwenza ujonga with the TMT. It's a lista. So uvike late yeva. Then go kufuneka ale siyothatha yena. Ay nyan, divukile ke ngokumna. Your phone Bubbles and ebethe ngo9. TMT yayazi ngo9 i-transport yeza. Ni guys nipi ndithi ndilapha ndilinde uTMT uyavuka. Hayi ba uTMT samfonela. Aba noba wamfonela nyana wavuka uTMT. Phofu nabe senimfonela ba Chomi ayibo. Wavuka nyana. TMT sana sukafuna uyothatha. But Bubbles like, okay, ngizokenza i-2 rights yabo. Kuyothathwa omnye nomnye yothatha. Ngiyasahamba. Emotweni xaka. Asithethe. Because I'm like, besithe uthe uzovuka. And then it was that safika nyani phaka bubbles, but ngokufika kwa bubbles sekumnandi ngokusisilibele noba siqumbile because like bubbles came with that energy ba bantwana bami yabo, so we just got there kamnandi kala ngoma yaveske yayiflow from the start, from iveska TMT, from the production bone kwa beat yabo like yasipasela yabo. So yeah man, kulula man usebenza nabantu manje, yeah, and doing 2 songs is literally a small amount of songs, literally, but we're working on more, so yeah.
That's dope, man. That's dope that you guys like are working on like songs that gonna like from production, like it's females, like they're just pushing and working. It's like a real great picture to paint, and I hope like that energy is gonna continue and you guys keep on blessing us like with good production, good music and all of that. Yabo. I wanna ask you questions alapa Mayhem TV, a good Black Couch. This is a two-way question. Eh? What's the one thing that people don't know about you and you would like them to know? And what's the one thing that people say about you and it's not true?
Okay, one thing they don't know about me. They don't know that I am a very obsessive person. Yeah, I get obsessed with the little things. Like even I'm so obsessed with my music.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Because I don't want people to listen to this because I love this so much. And sometimes I even obsess over little things like friendships, like even hating. I'll be so obsessed and literally hate you. Yeah, so yeah, I feel like that's the one thing they don't know about me.
Okay.
And something they say
about you, which is not true.
But if I don't know, I don't know.
Have you had nothing maybe on social media?
I haven't heard anything.
Yeah.
I don't know about me.
Oh.
Because I feel like Batitinyan most of the time.
Yeah.
Because he was like, what's in Ganeneloa and one kapkisa? Shit. Yabona when someone athi walala nawe, but zange walala nawe.
Yeah.
And then go kundiva mna endaweni.
Yeah.
So we just chilling up and then go kundixabana nomnye have tekwe na watyiwa ngibamba mna. Bolona. And I'm so that moment person.
Yeah.
Ndambhalela ba hayibo njani ngokuya kwakusekho free mode ku Facebook.
Yeah.
Njani uthethe lento wathi ayayaxoka amajita. Kutsho bani ba kutsho amajita?
Oh shit.
Yeah. Kutsho bani ba kutsho amajita?
Yeah.
No Balcalis ndandidlala. And that just pissed me off because everybody already has that image ba Beach Lona, she represents herself. She says she's a baddie. Abayazi baddie, abantu. Abana knowledge about baddie. You don't like abanayo shame. It's the moment you say baddie, they think prostitute.
Yeah.
Like it's so over their minds. It happens naturally.
Yeah.
So for yena ati one day you can come sisa unjani no buyanuka. And I get pissed real quick. Like you. So I'm a sis man lona, and that's me. Even if ngixabana nomuntu, if kufuneka ndiyithethile lento, sizoyithetha.
Yeah.
And bendiyicingile kakade ndakhaleze ndayicinga ba okay shit izosawuna njani lo ndaqamba okay uzoba nomsindo mandiyithethe. Ndayithetha. Lo akaziyiwa yena ihoya lento. Ndithule. Yabo. So yena waniphambanisa. Ndaqamba undityile. elagama ingathi ndifake eplatini wawo.
Yes. Marinate. Active spice.
Umguqula ke nayo adipike. So izinto ezinje.
Yeah, that's crazy, man. Like it's like sometimes like news can just fly without verification. Yeah, well, people find it very hard to verify izinto. They just yeah, so low. Yeah. Yeah.
So out ngokweni.
Yeah. That's crazy, man. Like that's crazy. Like I've gotten something like that similar. It was probably 2 months back or 3 months back when I heard gomnye umntu aphekas ba nanse cherry yakho. I'm like, what the I'm like, Johnny, like did 2 years in Gazacho, almost 2 years. I thought Hamburg. Why is it I'm like, yo, and go the minute to Teta, it's got Yabi as Tetele. And I'm like, yeah, go to that's not true. I was like, I get you. Like that thing pisses me off. It really pisses me off because like when I pick cars, I'm like more focused in what I do. I'm always at home and pumpa and that's just me. Yeah, I understand. I just want to ask you another two-way question, Yabo. This one, like, it doesn't matter if it's an artist, producer, photographer, like anyone around the industry that you met and you got disappointed by reception yag. Yabo. And then that one other person whereby you were happy with the reception yag. As number asamfaka bubbles ngoku, but something maybe similar to bubbles. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Maybe in a studio setup, event setup.
Event. Event. So there was this thing on Facebook ba events solo zine line up one.
Yeah.
It's always the same people we line up and those same people always performing the same songs. I was even one of those people who kept pushing the fact that why? I mean, Ufumani said 3 events ne. Why performer let's say 1 oko? We your followers, we want to support you, we love you, we want to listen to more of your music. That's why now I get pissed when I think I'm performing Ndishushu and people literally shouting Ndishushu. Somehow it annoys me. I'm promoting ingoma zam apha. Is you real followers or fans? So me as a follower and a fan, I listen to you. I'm waiting for you to represent more new songs for me. Yeah, but as Nam descends with my other new people, yeah, but so the sitting and the event and line up. I love you for being on the lineup. And go siba ufiki like lineup. And then when uzo perform we perform last week. Same event possibly. Yeah, but so those are the ngaske man xa dibana kwi-production bebonke mosiniyathetha ne-artist zenu zizoperforma uyixelele i-artist yakho cela iset ethi like isazingoma zakho ezithile ne, can you please bring in izinye ingoma ezithile mhlawumbi bangayincokola lona okanye umuntu xa ifokelwe indawo kwi-event angasoloko caba ngoku uzoperforma eza ingoma unless it's fans request athi umuntu cela uperforma Ndishushu. It annoys you, but if a DJ you have performing, do it. But it's to play. Oh, come on. Ne event people, tell any fucking nabanya banda bacha, we line up.
Yeah.
Now the line up. But if event yako doesn't require me, it doesn't have to. I don't have to be we line up because event yako is following on certain don yabo. Aba ubafakile ngicela babe representable for event yakho bayenze ibe success. You can't have 5 artists as perform igqom bonke aba 5 artists okabe besenza igqom no DJ o DJ abayi3 bazokhalisa igqom and then one DJ akhalisa hip hop perform hip hop artist A1 yebo. So ibona lo event bayiqom event le ayiyo ngotu event but ibona bayi represent as an event when yazi boom okay kuzokhala umculo apha, there's gonna be different music, there's gonna be this and that xa ufika shit yebo. I-posters zabo zikho clear, intondon zawo yabo like yo
Come on, look to some point. I'm still like trying to catch the name. I like.
No, it's just a couple of event people.
Oh.
Like which one can I mention?
Ngavalelo.
Fuck. I'm thinking saying it.
I know y'all scared. Yeah.
I'm like,
I know y'all scared. It's fine, bruh. Cause like I need to buy Sanun Mamel, but Sanun Mamel because I'm not an artist. I think I'm gonna get out with lineups. I want you. Like for me, it's more than enough when you tell the story.
Yeah.
I appreciate that. Then name drop is a bonus, but like I'm not like for the name drops, honestly. Yeah, I understand. But I'm for the experience, so that abanye abantwana they know when they get to those kind of experience, how do they treat them? Yeah, understand how do they react on those kind of experiences. That's what I want from that question. Yeah, Bolawe. But if you mention, then it's a bonus for even the person who's listening. Then they know, okay, Ubani works this way. Yeah, understand. This is how I should approach. Yeah, understand. Yeah. And then the other one?
The one that had a great outcome.
Yeah.
It was an artist though. Because yakumbula after ndisebenzele chemical thrill switch name. If you produce artist wethu ya produce ya rapper ya thing. Elvis up 3A. I don't know if you know him.
I don't know.
Elvis the Prodigy. That's where I met Oli Lane, Obabli, the other gangs, or TWL. So, Pana, when I first recorded, I was so scared. I was like, okay, I'm a professional. I'm not friends with anybody. I don't know these people. They don't know me. I'm going to do my thing. Then, it was nice. Like, ingoma yam sounded so like umjita wayithi ya ibeat ayidownloadiwe but yabo wasusa neza zinto wayithi and I was like oh my god, I can rap. The song was a long song. So you're in the langoma. It was Spotify.
Okay.
So like after I drop her, it's I. After that drop langoma, I was like shit. And in Nabo they were adapting to my more modern rapping hip hop. Like bandi rapping slungu. They were not on the bar. Tenu rapping slungu. Yeah, but otherwise it wasn't a problem. Nangapa I got switch but I kind of felt belittled because most yabo bebe rapper gets tossed. So and figure pay cooks Elvis like can like literally tanga take it to not take it and it was nice. It was really nice. Yeah, well, even nangoku ndingazimamela ezangoma with a happy heart, I still perform those songs. Yeah, so yeah, man, that was a great experience to meet him and work with him as a producer.
Yeah, and
like
how were the other artists like when you were around?
Yeah, it was nice. Yes, Liz Lane can be nice.
Yeah.
She was nice.
Yeah, like, she looks like a darling, man.
She's nice.
Yeah.
In a way.
She looks sweet, bruh. Like, she looks sweet. I don't know, maybe now for me, like, sometimes hip-hop can change, like, who you are and how you are because you want to, like, bonus
aligned.
look like.
Yeah.
Yeah. For me, she looks like a darling. She's probably a very sweet person. Yeah, I understand. But gay as gay hip hop.
Yeah.
It
For me,
going to be
she has
competitive.
sides. Yeah, she has
Yeah.
sides for me. And yeah, when that side I met Pa, because that label is Southside's Entertainment.
Yeah.
The side I met Pa, yeah, you would literally want to be in a song with her because uzorapper nge-English. Uzofaka in a way yakhe enaso nesisixhosa ubusirhalela usifaka, but you couldn't because wena you were a English rapper. And it was nice to listen to because you can even play the song over and over again. You're not worried about fuck, she outdone me up. You're not worried about, oh shit, I sound so slim up. No, you sound perfect because she sounded perfect. And yabo, that's the type of artist I like working with because yabo, TMT sounds so perfect and ngomeni. That's when it makes me feel easy to sound perfect because uraimile wa right, nam I'm gonna rhyme to be right. So ingoma intwempu from that, you're not stressed out, you're not freaking out. Yeah, bom. So a lot of people like, oh, TWL, this guy called TWL, he's a bubble, yo, he's nice, like he has those type of songs. Yes, Lima. But when I say itapila is so stuff like that.
How about the side us?
So like it sounds so good.
How about Chinese name? Oh, little guys, excuse me. I like it, slimes.
Yeah, well, that side was so dope for me. It was a great experience.
Yeah.
But I was just slamming, I was just rapping.
Yeah.
Because I tried being slow. It's clockwise. Never. Never park slow. Dibone pakumji to Elvis because all the time, why Balcalis, you gotta be quick and go mean. Hey, Eminem. You don't have to be Eminem. You are Balcalis. Sound like Balcalis in Kombe. And it felt like this guy is switching up on me. And this is record this Balcalis because when I sound and I gotta follow content, bro. You are content, bro, you fucking tripping. I need to write a song. I need to record. Because by that time, they record a and they record a part. Yes, I sounded different because they record a he's a producer now. Yes, a Philip. Warren.
Warren. I don't know him.
You don't know him. Yeah. And they record a part. I sounded so different because Klangoma, it was called, I didn't drop that song though. It was Motivation. Yeah, well. I needed some, because Umshita is busy on my nerve, but you gotta sound like yourself. You don't sound like yourself, Ngoku. I need you to sound like yourself. And I felt like I should abandon him because he's giving me facts and I don't want to hear this. I just want to record. Yeah, well. And then Dayako Warren was telling me the same thing, like, just be yourself. Do you? And I was like, do you know me? Because you don't know me. He didn't know me because he was just a producer that I met on the net and I really needed a quick fix. I needed to record real quick. I was in the edge of recording. I didn't realize, but yeah, never. So when I recorded part, like the song sounded good to me because it was like, freak on sick, can I bring motivation? He wasn't bad, so I send him location, bear, give him a head. He wasn't bad, so I kill him instead. Like that sounded new to me.
Your music is. I'll really tell you about buzz and find her strange, but like your music is good music, ne? I feel like it always has that one line as umntu akafocus kuyo ithetha, just focus on that line. Why, man? Like why? Because like the only I heard you, don't get me wrong, I heard you, but the only thing I heard like precisely, like give him a head. That's what I heard. I was like, okay. That's crazy.
It's the thing. Mina as an artist, I
Would you say that's a skill that you have acquired?
Yeah, because I learned that people do hold on to those words. It's more like working a call center, and you gotta convince a client to buy this. So you gotta show them the exact thing they must buy. Clear product. I'm selling water. This water is really fresh. Would you like fresh water? This is water. It's really fresh. I'm selling fresh water. That moment you into that fresh water, I need fresh water. So when are you gonna go back? How much? I'm already giving you everything. So for the fresh water you get, it's 500 rand lamb. Fresh water. You're not afraid to spend that 500 rand because you want fresh water. You're suddenly eager to have fresh water. Now everybody's suddenly eager to listen to the head. Yeah, but give him a head. He wasn't paid, so I kill him instead. That's also a head when I said instead. But you didn't catch that because you wanted the head again and again and again. And I can't keep saying head.
Yeah.
But I just want you to listen to the song now.
Yeah. That's dope, man. That's dope.
And it
That's
does
dope.
work. It does.
Yeah.
But so when I want to put Ingoma Yamu on radio platforms and stuff, and they like, okay, we just got your song and we had to put it on Tony. Suddenly they can't play it. I'm like, I knew this would happen.
Yeah.
I
Children
knew.
are gonna be listening to that.
I knew.
Mommy, what's ahead? I only know this one.
I want to get ahead. But it's not what I mean. John. Like him. Bear, give him a head. Like, give him a heads up. Like, you obey. Send me location. Send me your location. I'm going to give you a head. Like, freak gone sick. I bring motivation. He was in bed, so I kill him instead. Like, when I say bear, you should actually get the fact that I'm going to chop your head out. I'm a bear. Yeah, but not that I'm going to suck out dick. Yeah, but it's the same thing as
Yeah.
like Ndishushu.
Yeah.
You don't get the fact that Ndishushu, you can warm your hands on the fire.
Yeah.
You know Ndishushu, I can spit bars. You focus on the fact. Yeah, well. So,
yeah. So what are you currently working on right now?
Oh yeah, I'm working on making sure my EP drops this year, please God.
Okay.
Because there's just being a delay. And there's have to be a right time for me to drop it.
Yeah.
Okanye, it's just khona nje into engafuneka ngiphume ngala EP, I don't know. But I'm really working on my EP Back to Earth.
Okay.
It's a very personal one, Kum. That's why I feel like it's giving me trouble. Because it's more personal. Because from Ingoma Yoqala, it's a different me.
Yeah.
Because it's a song for B. I've always written songs for me, shit. I've always written songs for me.
Yeah.
Like Ndishushu, Basela Napang.
Yeah.
Like Clockwise. Like this more of me talking about me. I and I'm. Oh, I is me. Oh, I'm is me. Yeah, but so then when I say a song for B, and then I'm saying it's under Back to Earth, what's actually happening in my mind and so that's why I say this EP is kind of personal. It's giving me that part, but find out. Look at yourself. Who are you really? Are you really a baddie? Or you're just this puppy in a very I don't know how to say it, but Back to Earth is very personal for me because I feel like I was dumb and stupid and very into the moment. Like, and my rapping stage started the same. So Goku, I'm into adulthood. I'm like fresh out of the box adulthood.
Yeah.
Well, even moved out to Kaya. So the songs that I'll be writing Goku, Zingoma, ezomntu ophumileyo kokwabo. I'm no longer writing ezangoma zinjengondishushu. So that's why it's a very hard process for me. But fuck, if I drop this, how is it gonna work out for me? Like, is on 13 big or should I stick on the shushu? But hey, but being back to earth represents ba uphumile kondishushu. You can't continue writing ondishushu. Yabo. And inyani de zonke ngoku producers izindasiyo. They're like, wow. Khange silindelele kuwe ngoku. Xa ndifika ndimamelise into like bendiyenzile. Umbona ba umuntu damn. Akhange silindelele.
Yeah.
So zinto zinjalo, even if features zam ngoku different like ne features zangoku yeah. Like the people I'm working with ngoku, they are different vibes than the people that I used to work with before.
Yeah.
So I feel like yeah man, the EP is more personal and it's bringing in growth. So I don't know banzo itropa nini. I'm really working hard on it. I feel like my first did surprise boom I dropped today.
Okay.
Yeah, but because a lot of Kendrick Lamar does that.
Yeah.
Because now my craziness comes from him.
Okay.
Because like he says things as ngomens like this other song, Are You Happy For Me?
Savior.
Are you happy for me?
Smile on my face. Are you happy for me? Yeah, I'm at the way.
Are you happy for me?
Bitch?
So that's something he says. He just said that. Yeah, but like what the jacket, bitch, I said what I say.
Yeah.
So now go. I feel like I wanna strictly follow that because yiyo elapha ngoku. Le yethosa trap, I swear angeni.
Okay.
Angeni. I tried. Cause yabo kula ngomujonga. My first line is Kim. Bitches like it na. No my God, you
You're forgetting your own sound right now.
Like,
that's crazy.
It's more of me trying something.
You're not familiar with. Yeah.
I see you busy go faster when I pull up pictures of Boka Chonga. The whole line is me like
yeah.
Osha! And even the TMT was laughing.
Yeah.
But see, I never actually gave fully myself. I just had to put myself on the wave because ilapha. And that's not me. Yeah, so having to do that, it's more of me just telling myself, oh yinto nje kayi-1 singene apha sophuma yabo. So yeah. Bone xa budlula kame ngene nazi izihlangu kudala ndizifuna ngene ko sports price ay kosiyeka jonga kwenye indawo. But then it happens man. So I see you busy ku foster when I pull up pictures of Boka Chonga. And then I go back to my usual self. I don't want your imposter. I got haters up for the pasta. I make it easy. I'm saying in the part. Most of these bitches, they want to depart. Yeah, but that's the original me.
Yeah.
And I feel like somehow everyone knows, but that's more of Ndishushu. Dimo star episode underground and dog funa writing book. You know I'm Ndishushu. You wanna see how I write it? Stuff good dance shush. You know I'm bad and it's libali. Okon there's faka. Yeah, bon. So I feel like because I don't want to forget myself. Yeah, if I have to, because it's a feature like I would love to feature Ulero the Hustler because uba kupile abantu abaninzi to like I'm a mellow Eve featuring Ulero the Hustler. Eve moved out of her comfort zone. And the pin and the mamela on me, there's this other rap called Champ. I was listening to him. Featuring Shaulero. He was also out of his comfort zone. So I feel like now there's different on the list and abandoned this one back on Pumile. Zobandauni. Yeah, bon. Because Coco Omnia went drill. Yo! Kabeti drill up. Yo. Haro. Better the way most naye. Isn't got his own go banana drill.
Pop Smoke.
Not to Pop Smoke man kondo aka honey for the honey shiny money.
I don't listen to drill, man. I'm too old, man. I'm a pops, man. I'm a pops, man. I'm an old pops, man. I'm too old for that shit, eh?
So I was like, I can't do this shit. Please take your beat, please. Let's go. Because I'm not rhyming already. I'm out of this. I can't have this beat. No, please.
Yeah.
So, but he was nice about it. Yo, and goes chomyam. Yabona wena. I knew, but if something is wrong, you will tell me that no, nothing is wrong. Nam
Yeah.
wrong. If I could, like, write, then Balela, but I can't, and I can't waste your time. I mean, you're omnye umntu who could do that for you. But I feel like with Lero the hustler, it would be easy for ba nabayindoni. So I would literally kill that type of flow, but I wouldn't forget my flow.
Yeah. That's dope, man. Shout out to Lara. Lara is coming on the couch, man. Lara is coming on the couch. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy.
Yeah, it's artists like that. And I like working with him. Artists Lula, man.
Yeah.
Ome you are alone. Vuvu.
Yeah.
So click and go. Guys, sokolisa.
Yeah. Nah, that's dope, man. That's dope. I dope, man. Type shit.
Time
But
this liming, I doubt I'd ever come and take this away. Show it. Nah.
Yo, man, it's been an amazing one, man. It's been fun, and it's something that I told you like before, man. It's gonna be crazy, and it's gonna exceed the expectations and everything. I hope people are enjoying this episode, man. And thank you so much for pulling up in a pole, couch in Nyama. Abanye they get intimidated by this couch at that bangazi, but thank you for pulling up, and all the best in your future endeavors and your EP. Hopefully we're gonna hear your EP and probably premieres on the Mayhem 20 week playlist. Yeah, man, shout out to you.
Thanks, dog. Yeah, thanks to my hand for having me.
Shout out, man. Anytime. It's tea time, man. Time shit. Time shit. Thank you so much, guys, like, for watching until this point. That means you are through Mayhem. So please go to the Facebook group and join the Gas Mayhammers, and also make sure that you join on this YouTube channel to join and become a Mayhammer. It's only $10, 10 rands for those who don't know what a buck is. Otherwise, shout out to everyone who's subscribed. Shout out to everyone who's following us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Love you so much, guys. Shout out to Ikeja for sponsoring this episode. It's www.ikeja.co.za and get your Wi-Fi for only 350 rands per month. It's Jan, man. It's Jan. And welcome to a brand new year. Brand new shows are coming up. We're bringing back the roasting session hip hop cypher show. We want those cats on those beats, killing them. Simone, who is really the best in the game. And shout out to everyone who's dropped new music coming into 2025, man. All the best to everyone who has submitted their music on the Mayhem Week 20 playlist on Spotify. And shout out to my team. You guys are amazing. Shout out to Lisa Hondo. Shout out to Babalo Tiwan. Shout out to Okuhle Musiwa. Shout out to Mfundo Mbali. Shout out to Alex Boy. Shout out to Nigel, the management photography. Shout out to Mihle Kamlana. Shout out to Tamzi driver to shout out to Pizzo. Shout out to Ganzido, the dopest Puerto Rico, African Puerto Rico. Shout out to Enigma. Shout out, man. Whoever I forgot in the team, Askiz, yo, I will feel bad, but thank you so much. I come to shout out. I'm so in the mood to give shout outs today.
Shout out to everyone that I love.
Thank you so much, guys. Wi-Fi. It's your boy Coffee, man. I'm out here in Cape Town and Kuguleta, Barcelona, Machi, Menglau, in a pole. Songa City, South Africa. We out.
Yeah.